We have a database here that isn't performing very well. The score is low, index read efficiency is terrible, write times are high. Let's take a look and see what's wrong with this database. Brother Thoroughbred will do a response time analysis and show us where the time is spent in the database. We can see here that the average transaction time is 1.4 seconds. 87% of the time is spent inside the database. That's 1.268 seconds. And of all the time that's spent in the database, predominantly almost 95% of the time is spent on pool reads. So it appears we have a database that is I/O bound. This is real easy to solve. We just click on the yellow pie slice, and now Brother-Panter has done an analysis for us to show us the statements that are causing the database to be I/O bound. Here we have the top 4 statements here are consuming 80% of all the I/O in this database.